You know the rule of this game, Abby? It's dancing around the chairs. You have to dance. If you are not dancing, you go out. If you are not dancing, you go out. When the music stops, you have to be seated on one chair. If you are seated together with someone, I will calculate the ratio of the And if your is not seated on the you will go out of the game. Are we in agreement? Should we go? DJ, unleash the music. Lega.
I spend my money every day on top woman. I don't care if she walk away to another man. I am ready to be your move. Your persona man.
You are not dancing. Cockroach movement not allowed on my stage. Alright. Okay. We got loads of items selling here at TVC. If you're back on money, we appreciate you for watching us. Thank you for being a part of our world. We love you all up there. We love you back there. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for letting us be in your life. Without you, there is no us. Without us, there is no entertainment. We are the body and soul of entertainment in Lagos, Nigeria, and the whole of Africa. We are still doing it. We did it last year, and we're doing it bigger this year. Welcome, sir. Welcome, sir. I'm watching you.
What's your selling point? Do you know your selling point? You have to know your selling point. Do you identify your selling point?
Okay, the